This is part 5 of my 7.5-inch gauge Holmside Locomotive build and covers work completed in January 2025. January 2025 was very cold in Ohio, so work slowed down on the Holmside build. The month started with rolling roads being delivered from CMD Engineering in the UK. These will come in handy this year when I get the locomotive rolling. This may happen before the end of summer. I installed snifting valves on the steam chests, as shown in the photo above. These prevent a vacuum in the cylinders, which could pull debris from the smoke box into the cylinders when the engine is coasting. I spent most of the month working on the brake system for the locomotive. The photo above shows a brake arm and various brake link components. I deviated from the drawings when making these components as I wanted to be able to adjust each brake separately. This required making more nuts than the drawings called for. These photos show various views of the brake arms and linkages as they were assembled on the underside of the locomotive. Machining these parts was quite straightforward. I was able to thread the linkage rods using my lathe on a very low speed. This made threading the linkage rods very easy. I made octagonal rotisseries from plywood following a suggestion from a member of a Facebook group I'm in. These make turning the locomotive over very easy. The chassis is starting to get heavy and will require turning a lot going forwards. In the bottom left of the photo there's a shot of the brake links that I made. These connect the brakes to the brake cylinder via the brake shaft made earlier. I completed a few other components during the month. On the top right of the photo are the motion brackets, with angle sections riveted to them. In the middle of the photo is the start of the fire grate. I got over my phobia of machining stainless steel while manufacturing the fire grate. At the bottom of the photo are the cross head guides roughly machined to size. Towards the end of the month, I ordered and received a CNC router. This will come in handy for making some parts for the locomotive. The bottom left of the photo shows more parts that I manufactured, including the completed cross head guides, blanks for the cross heads, and spring pins used on the axle boxes. So, January 2025 was a tough month due to the very cold temperatures in Ohio. I got quite a lot done on the locomotive though. Please like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.